have X. And we also got take it easy. I kinda like feel na itong ex mo, siguro kung maloko man siya, this person is encountering a hard life. Meaning lang nun na nakakarma itong tao na to if ever they did something wrong to you. So you have the fake in either way, and we got the karma in either way. So, if before di siya na-karma, sa ngayon ay nakakarma siya. Yun yung nangyayari sa kanya ngayon. With the fake in either way, ibig sabihin lang nun na yung karma na nag-strike sa kanya is meron tao sa kanyang buhay na akala niya ay, true friend or true lover, pero to pala ay fake na tao. Or pwede rin na yung naging karma niya ay, na-scam siya. Naniwala siya sa something na hindi naman pala totoo. So, that will be this person's downfall. And we also got the guilt. So, dahil sa karma na parating sa kanya or nangyayari sa ngayon, guys, I feel here with the guilt. Sa kanya mararamdaman yung guilt. Kasi kung naman ang ginawa niya sa inyo, mararanasan niya yan, and then once it happened to him or her, this person will feel guilty. They will realize kung naramdaman mo nung ikaw ay kanyang niloko. Okay? Or may nagawa siyang masama. So, anyway, that's it, guys, with regards to today's reading. I just hope this may give you some insight and awareness about your person, and God bless all of you.